The first key distinction we really want to make is that CMHC has distinguished between what the social outcomes are for new buildings versus existing buildings. So the first place to start is look at what is the difference between a new building and an existing building in relation to how CMHC defines it. So CMHC defines a new building as in a situation where somebody's obtaining construction financing from CMHC to build a new property. In addition, if somebody is buying or refinancing a newly built property that has been where it has been less than 2 years since they've received the occupancy permit for the building, and it has been less than 1 year since they have fully stabilized the property, which essentially means getting the level of occupancy in a building or the number of leases or units leased in a building up to the level of where market vacancy dictates. So, for example, for a building that has 100 units in a market that has a 5% vacancy, that means leasing up 95 of the 100 units is when the clock starts, and ensuring that it hasn't been leased at that level for more than a year to ensure that it's still considered new construction. That is how CMHC defines new construction versus existing property. And so we'll start by going through what the social outcomes are, what the various levels of CMHC criteria is for existing buildings, starting with affordability.